In this video, I will be explaining question set 22. The first question is find the details of the student who participated in the singular subject in the examination held on 2020 3rd 15th. So in here, inside the exam marks database, select everything from student table, inner join, student exam mark record on student.index number equal student index number, another inner join to get the subject, on student exam mark record subject ID equals subject table subject ID, another inner join to get the exam term table on student exam mark record dot exam term ID equal exam term table term ID, where subject name equals to Sinhala language and literature, and the exam date equals 2020 3rd 15th. So this is the answer for the first question. The second one is Theshan Weerakkody find out the marks of the examinations in which the student appeared on 2020 3rd 15th, the date of the examination, the term, the number of admissions, the name, and the name of the subject. So we have to find Theshan Weerakkadi's marks, exam term, the index number, his index number, subject name from the student exam mark record, inner join student on student exam mark record the student index number equals to student dot index number, and another inner join to the exam term table on student exam mark record dot exam term ID equals exam term table term ID, and the subject table check subject on student exam mark record dot subject ID equals subject dot subject ID, where first name equals Theshan and the last name equals Weerakkady, exam date, and the exam date equals 2020 3rd 15th. This is the answer for the second question. The third one is find the name, subject, marks, term of the examination and date of the examination of the students who obtain between 40 and 70 marks in the subject of mathematics held on 2027-10. So we have to get the first name, select the first name, last name, the subject name, mark and the term name, and last exam date from student exam mark record. Inner join student table on student exam mark record dot student index number equals student dot index number. Inner join again exam term on student exam mark record dot term id equals exam term dot term id. Inner join the subject table on subject id dot equals student exam mark record subject id equals subject dot subject id, where marks between, so between keyword and in here 40 to 40 and 70, so between 70 and 40, and the subject is, subject name is mathematics, and the date is, exam date is 2027-10. So this is the answer for the third question. The last one is, who is the highest scoring student in the first exam out of all the subject? So to get the answer, select everything from student, where index number in, I'm going to write a subquery. So select student index number from student exam mark record table, where mark and another subquery to get the maximum, get the highest marks. So select max mark from student exam mark record on exam, inner join with exam term on student exam mark record dot exam term id equals exam term dot term id, and to get the subject, inner join. So we don't need the subject because it's asked for all the subjects. When you execute the query, this is the answer for the last question. Student number 00, student index 004, Amanda Moses. So this is all for question set 22. Thank you for watching.